I hope you all are well in your home. Today we start our revision chapter first, the fun they had. Here first you have to see word finder. They all are hard words. Frankly, having many folds and lines. Scornful, showing disgust. County, region or territory. Lofty, in a superior manner. Dusty, dirty with dust. Trucked, trapped or hanged. Sign, a sound taken to express sadness. Dispute, quarrel. Then the question answer. How old are Margie and Tommy? Margie is 11 years old and while Tommy is 13 years old. What did Margie write in her diary? Margie wrote in her diary, today Tommy found a real book. Had Margie ever seen a book before? No, Margie had never seen a book before because he is a future child, so only see the computer. What things about the book did she find strange? The page of books were yellow and crinkly and the words stood still rather the moving, and when they returned to the page they had read before, it shows the same words on it. Okay, what do you think? A tally book refer her to the computer screen where books are displayed. Where was Margie's school? Did he have any classmates? Margie's school was next to her bedroom. No, she had no classmate. What subject did Margie and Tommy learn? Margie learned geography and arithmetic while Tommy learned history. Okay everybody, that's all today. If anything else, you have to question in our next class. Okay, that time please stay safe and please follow the guideline. Okay everybody, then answer each these questions in short paragraph. What kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? Margie and Tommy were living in the year 2157, almost 140 years ahead of now. The technology had improved a lot, so had the education system. Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers which were actually computer system program for the teaching children. Okay, then second question, why did Margie mother send for the county inspector? Margie mother sent for the county inspector because Margie was doing worse and worse in geography test given by machine teachers, so she wanted the inspector to check what was going wrong and to fix it. Okay everybody, what did he do? The county inspector, who was a round little man with red face, gave Margie an apple. He opened the teacher part and set it right. He slowed geography sector to an average 10 years level because it had read a little too fast. Okay everybody, please learn it carefully and the spellings also. Why was Margie doing badly in geography? What did the county inspector do to help her? Because Margie was doing badly because the mechanical teacher had been giving her tests too quickly, and one after the other. The county inspector found the problem with the mechanical teacher and set it right. जो मैकेनिकल टीचर थे वो क्या कर रहे थे, बार बार जो हमारे ज्योग्राफी में हमारी मार्गी थी उसका बार बार टेस्ट ले रहे थे. सो प्लीज़ लर्न इट. What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? Like Margie, Tommy too had a mechanical teacher. Once his teacher was away from 1 month because its history sector had balanced out completely and was not flashing anything on its screen. Okay. And sixth question is, did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? Yes, Margie had regular days and hours for school because her mechanical teacher was not on at the time same. Every day for 5 days a week from Monday to Friday, according to her mother. Little girl learn better of the learn at regular hour. मार्गी के पास बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं होता था, ओनली मतलब उनके 5 डेज वीकली चलता ही रहता था. सो हाउ डज टॉमी डिस्क्राइब द ओल्ड काइंड ऑफ स्कूल? टॉमी टोल्ड मार्गी that the old kind of school was a building where all the children went to get knowledge. In those students, all the children of same age were made to sit together and were taught the same things by a human teacher. जैसे कि अभी हम आपको पढ़ाते थे ये कोविड पैंडमिक के कारण, जैसे अभी हमारी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चल रही है, एज इट इज़ मार्गी के साथ जो हो रहा था वो हमारा ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का थ्रू आउट विज़न है, और जो आप लोग फिज़िकली स्कूल आके पढ़ते थे वो यहाँ पर एक ओल्ड काइंड ऑफ स्कूल के बारे में. ओके एवरीबॉडी, देन द लास्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ डज ही डिस्क्राइब द ओल्ड काइंड ऑफ टीचर? Unlike Tommy time, the old kind of teacher were human. They used to tell the boys and the girls about things, give them homework and ask the questions. They also did not live in the house of children. जो टीचर्स होते थे वो फिज़िकली स्कूल्स आते थे और गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज़ को फिज़िकली पढ़ाते थे, और उसमें अगर कोई क्वेश्चंस या आंसर्स बच्चों के समझ में नहीं आती, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम्स होती थी तो उनका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग क्लास के अंदर ही हो जाता था, और वहाँ पर टीचर्स जो थे वो बच्चों के साथ स्कूल में नहीं रहते थे. जैसे कि यहाँ पर हमारा जो हमारी मार्गी है उनके साथ क्या था कि वो 2157 सेंचुरी की मतलब फ्यूचरिस्टिक बात हो रही थी, और उसमें उनका जो टीचर था वो एक कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन थी जो क्या होती थी सेम टाइम पर सेम मंडे टू फ्राइडे आती थी, और उसकी जो स्टडी लेवल था वो होता था. ठीक है, ओके एवरीबॉडी, सो प्लीज़ लर्न इट एंड स्टे सेफ एंड प्लीज़ follow the guidelines. Okay everybody, if anything else please you have to question it our next class. Is it clear? Please learn it बच्चों.